Use Eurosens DTS configurator to set up temperature and humidity sensors. Connect the receiver of the sensor to the laptop using RS485 USB interface of, for example, Eurosens Destination 2nd or any other compatible adapter. Choose the COM port of the connected adapter and click Connect. Configurator connects to the receiver. Click the button Find Device. Receiver is set to find wireless temperature sensors nearby and show their current values. In the columns, you can see the temperature, humidity, illumination, battery voltage, and the level of radio signal. To perform the settings, put the sensor into configuration mode. Touch the magnet icon on its casing with a magnet for 1 second. Central LED will light up. Put the receiver into configuration mode by clicking the button Enable Configuration Mode. Values of all sensors will be reset. Search for sensors again and find our only sensor in the configuration mode. Now you can change its settings. In the field Sensor, you can specify the sequence number of the sensor connected to the receiver. This number is shown in the RS485 data address. Number 1 means you will see the sensor data in LLS protocol of RS485 interface under the first address. The temp offset parameter is permanent temperature offset of the data and can be used for the calibration of the temperature sensor. We can change the source of temperature data by changing the temp source setting. It is possible to choose one of the 3 sources. Temperature sensors are built in the humidity sensor, radio link module, and central processor module. By default, humidity sensor is the main source of data. But some sensors don't have the humidity sensor option, therefore you can choose one of the remaining sources. Update parameter defines how often sensor sends the data. A higher frequency of updates leads to a faster battery drain. Receiver collects data from all available temperature sensors. To divide receivers or sensors into groups, we can use the RF network mask parameter. The receiver with network mask number 2 doesn't read the sensors with network mask number 1. To assign the sensor with the new network mask, we only need to perform its settings with the receiver with the new network mask already assigned in the settings. To set up a new parameter value, we should click the button Write. After setting up procedure is completed, we switch off the configuration mode in the sensor. To do that, touch the magnet icon with a magnet for 5 seconds. Central LED will switch off. Finally, click the button Disable Configuration Mode in the configurator. The receiver will show all the sensors and their values.